Hello there everybody and welcome back. I'm Daniel, can count to 10 with his eyes closed, Valvo. And today we're talking about my favorite branch of mathematics, the one that started it all, geometry. Let's get into shape. Geometry is a branch of mathematics that studies lines, shapes, and space. Here are some key concepts. First up, we have line segments. A line segment is a part of a line that has two endpoints. It's indicated by a horizontal bar above the two endpoints. It looks like this. Next, we have a line. Geometrically, a line continues forever in both directions. It's indicated by a horizontal double-sided arrow above 2 points on the line. And it looks like this. Then we have rays. A ray is a